Alternator is weak. It's supposed to be 14 in the OK mark. Should be like right over here. This needle should be over here. This is before the alternator been replaced. So if I put a charge on it, before it was dropping over here in 10.5 volt or 11 volts. Now can't go there too when I put a load on. It shouldn't go there. It should stay like right. It should be over here, or it goes like over here. Like not that. Like it should be like it shouldn't be less than 13.5 volts. Like right now it's staying up to like 10. That's like 11 volts. That's not good. So I'm gonna try and change the starter. The alternator, and go from there. Alright, I just changed the alternator. It's the new alternator. And now you're looking at about, the needle is right here, about 14.5 volts. That's where you want to be. And when you put the load on, it goes down, and there it goes, comes up. There you go. That's where you want. And that's without load now. That's when with the load goes up, and 13, there you go, 13.5 volts. So now it seems like everything is running good the way it's supposed to be. And you got a new battery, and you got a new alternator. That fixed your problem.